guys, welcome back to another episode of vTuned. So the car is almost done. All we need to do is get the car prepped for the paint booth and get this thing painted. All right, so the first thing we need to do is go ahead and strip down this trunk. We are going to be doing a blend from this panel to this panel, so we need to take off the spoiler, the stripes, and the tail lights, and probably the backup camera. All right, so we just got done taking off all the decals, and I did actually find some more dents. There's one right here. It was under the decal, and I noticed there was another dent right here, and one more over here, if you can see right there in the light. So we need to go ahead and fix these dents, and then we can go ahead and start sanding the whole car down, getting it all ready for paint. All right, so we got all the body work done on the trunk. It turned out really nice. It was really easy, just 3 simple dents. Now we need to pull this car out, get all this stuff wet sanded, and get it ready for paint. Still doing burnout, so now let's get back to work and get this sanded. All right, so the hood is all sanded. Now we need to move on to this area right here. All right, so we got most of everything sanded. We got the quarter panel sanded. Everything in here looks really good. Everything's sanded down there. Now we just need to jump on the roof and sand that, and it's done. We got the roof all sanded. Guys, check out that seam. It looks factory. Now we need to go ahead and sand this area and then sand the quarter panel. All right, so now that we have all the primer areas sanded, now we're gonna sand this quarter panel down with a 1000 grit sandpaper because we are gonna be doing some blending right here. We are not actually painting this door because there's nothing wrong with both of these doors, so we're not gonna paint any of those. And we're also gonna have to blend the bumper area right here. So let's get to sanding. All right, so we have all the body panels sanded, all the primer is sanded nice and smooth. Now we need to go ahead and sand the rear bumper and the front bumper with a 400 grit sandpaper. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We got everything sanded on the car. Now we just need to put it in the paint booth and get it painted. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at vTuned. Thanks for watching.